Lion speed is one of the frequently asked questions that people wanna know about. As lion is the vast known animal in the world, there are also some interesting knowledge threads about this beautiful and iconic animal on the earth. Here are some interesting things about this most known animal. Just go through the whole article with a coffee or tea in your hand and you will know about the speed of it and more with an interesting video of the lion at the end. About lion speed and facts. Lions are energized beasts that habitually prey in herds and pursue their preferred victim. Though they aren't especially recognized for their speed and endurance. For example, a female lion's cardiac muscle only possesses a 0.57% of her total body weight, and on the other side a male's is of around 0.45% of his entire body weight. This is the reason why most often female run for hunt. Also read about how much does a liger weigh, size, height and length, lion top speed. Lions, male and female, run at the top speed of around 80 km/h. They shoot the run speed greater than we human beings, enormously alike whole of the giant cat species. In other terms, lions and all cat species step using their toes, with no heel touchdowns. Though similar us, they lack endurance and therefore can reach their max speed in just short-term rushes, roughly in 2 moments. Some longer, and most probably they die from extreme fatigue, which is as a result of overheating in them of going extra longer. Apart speed of lion, some other amazing facts about lion. Lion scientific name Panthera leo is a class in the Felidae family and a genus Panthera member. It is widely known for its muscular, wide face body, rounded top, hairy neck, rounded ears, plus a furry cluster at the tail tip. It is actually dimorphic variant animal sexually. Fully grown male lion has a noticeable neck fur, typically with the length of 184 to 208 centimeters as a whole. The male lion is noticeably gigantic than a female. They are greater than females at 160 to 184 centimeters. It is a kind of social animal living in herds called pride. Sexual dimorphism is the state in which two opposite sexes of the same species possess distinctive features with the differences in their reproductive organs. It is a condition that is often seen happens in animals and few plants. Deviations may include secondary sexual features, volume, mass, color, signings, and may further include behavioral and cognitive diversity. Such distinctions may be exact or excessive and may be governed to sexual preference and natural selection. The contrast term that is used for the dimorphism is known as monomorphism. A typical lion herd/pride possesses of a less mature males. Age fellow females of the pride are used to hunt and the whole pride relies on them. It is a fact that lions don't hunt until unless they feel hunger. Habitat. The lion may be named the king of the jungle, but it's truly gone from rainforests. Rather, this cat prefers the green meadows, savannas, including scrubland of sub-Saharan Africa. The Asian lion breeds in Gir Forest National Park within India, although its habitat just holds the savanna and scrub forest ranges. Conservation status. The lion is recorded as unsafe on the red listings of UCON, International Union of Conservation Nature. The wild community drastically declined in numbers, almost 43% from 1993 to 2014. The 2014 census estimated around 7,500 wild lions survived, yet the figures have remained to decrease following that period. Although lions can undergo a broad spectrum of habitats, they are endangered because the public remains to shoot them and because of prey consumption. Humans shoot lions to guard their cattle, out of terror of social endangerment, and for illicit commerce. Prey are endangered by enhanced bushmeat commercialization and habitat decline. In some regions, prize hunting has served to preserve lion inhabitants, while it has provided to the species drop in other areas. Behavior. Lions nap for 16 to 20 consecutive hours in a whole day. They oftentimes hunt at sunrise or sunset, although can adjust to their prey to adjust their plan. They interact considering vocalizations, face rubbing, whipping, facial appearances, biochemical tagging, plus optical tagging. Lions are recognized for their aggressive roar, however may likewise growl, meow, snarl, plus purr, pride. Lions comprise uncommon amongst big cats, in that they live in pride or herd. The members of pride usually kill the whole day in numerous separated crowds that may associate to seek or dispense a mess. Pride is of several lion generations, any of which are linked to a tinier figure of breeding males, also their cubs. The pride or crowd may consist of as some like 4 or as many as 37 individuals, although 15 is the mediocre size. Each herd possesses a clear boundary consisting of a hub section that is rigorously protected upon interfering outsider lions plus a marginal space where some overlap is permitted. Where prey is plentiful, a sectioned boundary may remain as miniature as 20 square kilometers. However, if the game is scattered, it may include around 400 square kilometers. It is also researched that some of the pride have been known to utilize the same region for even decades, moving the range among females. Lions declare their region by roaring and by marking scent. Their unique roars are usually produced in the night before a night's hunting and again before going up at sunrise. Males also declare their appearance by peeing on shrubs, tree stems, or solely on the ground, dropping a sharp scent behind. Excretion and rubbing upon shrubs leave different scent indications. Here are some threads about some swiftest animals on the planet Earth. The most durable land creature is cheetah, which owns a listed pace around 120 km per hour, which is about 75 miles per hour. The peregrine falcon is considered the most swiftest bird, also one of the durable members of kingdom Animalia, by a diving velocity of around 389 km per hour, which is 242 in mile per hour. The most agile organism in the sea is considered the black marlin, that is 129 km per hour of speed. When we used to compare different Animalia classes, an alternative system is followed for animals, body expansion/length per second. Accordingly, the swiftest ever animal on this planet, dependent to its whole body expansion/length, is considered the Southern Californian mite, which is Paritosotomus macropapus. It possesses the speed of around 322 body lengths per second. If we suppose the similar speed for a human being, that will be as swift as this mite, could be around 1,300 miles per hour, equivalent to the speed of an aircraft. The speed that Paritosotomus macropapus possesses is notably more of the previous report. The Australian tiger beetle, Cicindela eberneola, which is considered the swiftest pest in the globe according to its bodily measurements, by a reported pace of around 1.86 meters per second, which is around 7 kilometers per hour, 4.3 miles per hour, which is around 171 bodily lengths per second. Cheetah, the most quickest vertebrate on this planet, numbers only at 16 bodily lengths per second. On the other side, Anas the hummingbird holds the longest known length-specific velocity achieved by any vertebrate.